welcome back to my channel. I'm working on my Zweig, the sweater I was telling you about last time. I'm working at the section with all the nice details, and it is very nice and very easy. The pattern makes it very easy to follow. It's a nice yarn as well, it helps. And this is clouds above in the sky, aren't they beautiful? The Netherlands is known for their skies, as I'm told. And here's some details. You see all the nice lace work and some different things. And my son decided to hug me quite violently, if I may add. And I need some cup of tea. I've got new mugs. How do you like them? And yesterday there was a bit of a storm coming. We didn't get any rain in the end, but it looked very much like it. And this is a bow my father made. He's a very good woodworker, and he made this. And it's very handy for these kind of balls I've had wound. And today it's raining. Have a nice week.